Hello, welcome to Quantum Online Academy. This is your Dr. Nagaraju Pendam. In this video, we are discussing about one more important Bhargavastra from DRDO. Once we have to see, India tests micro missile drone Bhargavastra. India tests micro missile drone Bhargavastra. Economics Explosive Limited. This is a guided micro munition for Bhargavastra counter drone system. 12/1/2025 they are doing this experiment. Once you have to see, India successfully tested the Bhargavastra, its first indigenous micro missile system. It is the India's first micro missile system designed by counter swarm drones. It was developed by the Economic Explosive Limited. It can quickly deploy the mobile platform and hit targets over 2.5 kilometers. It can quickly deploy a mobile platform and hit the targets over 2.5 kilometers. It is capable of detecting even small income flying missions at over 6 kilometers. It is capable of detecting even small incoming flying missions at over 6 kilometers. From 6 kilometers range, which equipment is coming, it can detect. So, and can take them down using micro munitions that can be guided towards the threat. So, and if it is a threat, any threat is there, immediately take them down using micro munitions. By using the micro munitions, it take them down also. The system can simultaneously fire more than 64 micro missiles. So, more than 64 micro missiles simultaneously it should fire. So, designed to operate in all terrains. We have to operate in mountains and oceans and in the surface, and all terrains we have to operate. Designed to meet the requirement of the Army Air Defense. We have to use Army, Air Force and defense sector people are using this missile. This is the micro missile system, first micro missile system in India. So, what is the swarm drone? Swarm stands for Smart War Fighting Array of reconfigured modules. Smart War Fighting Array of reconfigured modules. That one we call it as a swarm. So, drone swarm technologies coordinates at least 3 and up to thousands of drones to perform missions cooperatively with limited need for human attention and control. Swarm drone technologies coordinate at least 3 and up to thousands of drones to perform missions cooperatively with limited need for human attention and control. So, one swarm will guide the another swarm, thousands of swarms will guide and target the whatever the targets are there, successfully they target. So, it is a great discovery and great achievement for Indian army weapons. Clear? So, this is a very important thing. Please remember, because this drone abbreviation also very important. Swarm drone, Smart War Fighting Array of reconfigured modules. So, they tested. Who discovered this one? Economic Explosive Limited people are taking this one under the DRDO guideship, right? Thank you. Please share and subscribe our YouTube channel and listen like the science and technology things. Thank you.